Good morning, Philip at Profix Auto Repair. Today we had a Honda Accord come in. Actually, it was what seemed to be a comeback, 2015 model. About 3 months ago we put a starter on it, and the customer called asking if she had a warranty, and we said, of course you do. And so the vehicle was towed in. We got to looking at it. The first thing we did was notice that you couldn't get the key out of the ignition, and that we were able to test the starter, energize the starter relay, and get the starter to turn. So we knew it wasn't a starter problem. We ultimately made our way to this transmission range switch, which is on the transmission, and it just gets a ground and passes that ground right there, passes that ground to the PCM, whether it's in neutral or park, which are the two positions that it can start in. So we made our way to locate the transmission range switch, and if you look in the mirror here, if I can get a shot of it, a little bit hard to see, right there you can see the wires are cut. That is rodent damage, and actually to the right of that you can see nuts, looks like maybe acorn shells or something, but a little mouse literally cut through all the wires, and that's a transmission range switch, which sends a signal to the PCM that it's in a gear acceptable to start the engine. So that's what's going to need to happen to this one. We'll get some things removed to get access to that area, and either replace or repair that connector that goes to the range switch.